and then perhaps add some additional information as we go along. So the Ministry is urging all teachers who have not yet uploaded their new signed e-contracts onto our database, which is the Fiji Education Management and Information System. We ask them immediately to do so to avoid any disruption to their pay for the start of Year 1. As of today, over 2,500 contracts have been successfully submitted through this new electronic system. And that number has also swelled significantly in recent days due to our ambitious outreach program being run by ministry officials. This new e-contract system has significantly streamlined our processes in terms of contracts. It's provided a wealth of valuable data on teacher assignments, added unprecedented security and transparency to the system. It's eliminated vast amounts of paperwork, saved hundreds of thousands of dollars in overhead costs, and, perhaps most importantly, it's made the contract approvals much quicker, easier, for the benefit of our hard-working Fijian teachers across the country. The FEMIS platform can be used anywhere, including from overseas, and it is accessible through a mobile phone. So any teachers who are traveling during the holiday season, which is unfortunately nearly coming to an end, can take advantage of this improved process. Meanwhile, we also have to announce that several hundred e-contracts remain to be uploaded. And those teachers who have not yet uploaded their contracts, we appeal to you, please, to do so as soon as possible. Otherwise, we are fearing that there will be disruption to teachers and that this will result in the full pay cycle reimbursement under the new salary bands being delayed. The Ministry obviously wants to avoid this and any confusion that may accompany it. And in the service of our teachers, we will be working overtime through the weekend to continue to reach out to those teachers who have yet to upload their contracts, and we'll be contacting them through phone and email. The contact information being used that is currently self-identified, i.e. each teacher has updated their contact information, and we are using that. So teachers who have not been contacted as yet are also asked to make sure that this information is accurate and up to date. So teachers are asked to dial 162 and to make contact with our colleagues in the contract section, and this will be available from 9 o'clock until 5 o'clock on both Saturday and Sunday. We hope that we will be able to announce another mobile number for that purpose as well, and I'll give you that number at the end of this statement. In addition, we want to report also on the issue of transfers that many teachers have requested, and the Ministry is pleased to report that even with only 70 available vacancies, we have managed to process 424 transfers to date, through initiative to create new opportunities for teachers whenever it best serves both their needs and those of the students that they serve. Priority has been placed on high-need teachers, and the Ministry is focused on reuniting families wherever this is possible. All transfer status updates will be issued and posted on FEMIS, our database, by Sunday the 5th of January. Any remaining requests will remain in the pool of applicants for consideration for future transfers, and which is constantly being re-examined to create further opportunities and fill vacancies as and when they arise. So we ask the media to help us, we ask the teachers to help us by making sure that they upload their contracts. It literally will take 5 minutes if they go into their FEMIS account and they sign the last page. They get a witness to sign it. It is not necessary for a Justice of the Peace to sign it. It's not necessary for a notary or anyone else to sign it. It can be a brother, a sister, a sibling, whatever it is, to sign as a witness. And then take a photograph of it and upload it into the FMS account. We've been able to introduce this year to make things a lot easier, a lot quicker, a lot more economical, and so that teachers do not actually have to come to Suva. They don't actually have to go to their district offices. They can do it from the comfort of their home with a couple of clicks of the button, and to ensure that we are able to pay them as they require in terms of their contract. For any teachers who have missed pay run number 1, which is coming out next week, we will ensure that manual payments are done to make sure that they are not compromised in any way whatsoever. So while we've introduced this new system, we still are requiring our teachers to to make sure that they sign their contracts, upload them, so that we can make sure that pay is disrupted in the least way possible, and that they can focus on teaching in the classrooms. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen.